guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm coming with you guys with this sensational hair Shear Muse do-it-yourself weaving system, and it's some pretty fall hair I saw in the store, so I picked it up. And it's a yaki.festher style in the auburn ombre, and it's also a frontal with baby hair, but I'm gonna let y'all see it's not really a frontal. As you can see, this is what it looked like, and it's only one parting area, so you can't really do anything other than just wear it in one part. And you can customize the front just a little bit, I believe, but it's not really a frontal. It's a big old closure. But we're gonna hook it up and see what we get out of this look. So just stay tuned and keep watching and make this into a unit for you guys. I had to cut that thread off right there. But yeah, the color was sold me, so I picked it up. And I'm going to use this mannequin for this unit because I got a small head, and my mannequin dome cap I got is like a 23-inch, and it's going to be too big. So I'm going to use this. I don't recommend you using this if you have a big head or a 22-inch head. I mean, it's going to fit, but if you got a small head, you can use one. But I recommend you use the actual dome head to make your wigs. But for this, I'm going to be using her. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going to just put her on, see if it fits. And I'm going to use some 30-second Pro glue to glue this whole unit together. I'm not going to sew it because it's synthetic hair, and it's going to be a temporary look wig, you know. And that's about it. So yeah, I'm just going to glue it on. And before gluing it on, it's best to use a spritz or a hairspray, the freeze spray, to help glue the tracks on quicker. As you can see, I'm going to do that right there. That and a blow dryer to make it glue seal quicker and faster if you want it to go faster. But yeah, it took me a minute to get that top part to stick. I got like glue right there. So but I'm going to keep going with the bundles, and I'm going to start with the 20-inch and work my way all the way to the 16-inch. So just keep on watching and you can see the finished look. And one more thing, making this unit, it was more than enough hair for this whole wig. I used all of the hair, but like I put the tracks very close together, and I still had enough hair, which made the wig way more full. And plus the wefts on the tracks are thick for a synthetic track. They're very thick, so it's going to be a plus for when you make your wig. It's going to feel real full. It's not going to feel all thin in between the tracks. You know how you feel when you put on a regular wig. It's going to feel way better. So I did love that about the hair, so that's a plus. So this is the finished look of the girl. Yes, girl, she's rocking there. So I'm going to just let it dry out. Well, not dry out, but I'm going to let the hair dry. And then I'm going to comb it out and put it on myself and see how she looks. And this is the parting with nothing done to it. And I still got to cut the thread off the top. But yeah, let's see how she looks on me. Okay, and right here, you guys, I just want you guys to see how it's not really a frontal, how this the parting area, it gives off an effect at the top that it's plucked, but when you get down to the sides, it's very bold, and you can't really do nothing to it. Probably add some baby hairs, but it's going to still give that not realistic look. So that was a downfall for being called a frontal. But right now, I'm going to see how it looks at the side part, and you can move it if you want. If not, you can just leave it as a middle part. I don't like it as a side part because it's a straight line. I like my side parts to curve, so I'm going to wear mine as the middle part. But yeah, I'm going to cut this lace off and come back to you guys with the finished look. This is pretty much the finished look of this style here. This is what she looks like. Oh, my camera. This is what she looked like all combed out or whatever, all straightened. And you can also put in like 2 little braids or whatever, but I don't think I'm going to do all that, all because of how the front is made. This is 16, 18, and 20 inches, and this is how it looks on me. And I ain't going to lie, I actually love it. Like, it looks bomb. For the first day, this looks good. So I'm going to comb it all out. So now that it's dry, I let the track wefts dry a little bit more, and I also blow dried it to make sure that it was fully dry before I start combing it through. So make sure the glue is dry before you start combing, because then a day later or so, track will start popping out, whatever. The style with the straight and the curl, Like, people still do this, the feather look, but I think I want to curl it all over. I don't think I want to have this straightened or like, I don't know. I think it'll look better on me all curly. But for fall, this is it, baby. So I ended up putting some little curls on the ends of the hair, and I had my iron on like 350 degrees. So it's pretty much the finished look of the hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and feel free to comment and subscribe to my channel for more content. Love you. Bye bye.